Hi folks, my name is Vitaly, and for those of you that don't know me, I am actually a full-time affiliate marketer, and I create videos like the ones you're watching right now that basically help people get started with affiliate marketing and succeed with it. And one of the things that I do, and what I'm going to cover in this video, is high-ticket affiliate marketing. And high-ticket affiliate marketing basically means that you promote very expensive items for which you make a high commission for if the sale is made. And I have a lot of experience with high-ticket affiliate marketing because I've actually made probably over $50,000 in sales from high-ticket sales alone. I've actually made over $1 million overall in affiliate marketing. But here are some of the sales reports that I have regarding high-ticket sales. Anything that's over 100 over here represents a high-ticket sale. And I've sold, in this particular case, it was a membership into a program that I promote. I've also sold things like drones, sneakers that are very expensive, and other kinds of different varieties of high-ticket related stuff. And what I want to do in this video is give you a basic template that I follow in order to make these sales so you can follow them as well. Now, in addition to this video that I'm giving you right now, where I'll give you examples of how I would sell something like this or something like a shoe or something like that, I also have a link below this video that'll take you to a tutorial about how to do affiliate marketing, high-ticket affiliate marketing step by step, which is going to be explained in this very article. So if you find value in this article and you want to get started with this stuff, you're going to get all the details about how to get started, where to sign up for affiliate programs, and doing it for free. So it's going to be very comprehensive and easy to get started with. So in a nutshell, the way that I do affiliate marketing in the high-ticket department is I take an item that I own, which is an expensive product in this case. I find an affiliate link for it, and then what I do is I create either a blog that's reviewing the product or I create a YouTube video that's reviewing the product. And the second one, which is YouTube, is probably the one that you want to get started with if you're just a beginner. And again, the link below this video is going to help you get started with that process. I'm just giving you a generalization of it in this video because I don't want to make this video too long. So anyway, for example, I will grab a product like this. This is called a Mavic Air. It's a drone that I own. It's like $700, $800, so it's very, very expensive. And I'll go to places like Amazon Associates. I'll show you that right now. And I will type in Mavic Air. And the goal of Amazon Associates is it's an affiliate program where I can promote this particular drone. See, it says DJI Mavic Air, and I will be able to click Get Link, which will give me my affiliate link, and then I'll be able to take that link and put it into a YouTube video description or into a blog where I review this particular drone. So when it comes down to it, how would I actually promote this drone because it's so freaking expensive? How would I possibly do something like that? Well, the thing to understand is this. High-ticket affiliate marketing is a lot harder to make sales with than low-ticket stuff. So for example, if this drone, it's a Mavic Air, it's about 800 bucks. If this drone was some kind of other model that was like 100 bucks, it would be a lot easier for me to sell it versus this one, which is 800 bucks. So if you do high-ticket affiliate marketing, expect to make less sales because it costs more, rather than if you sold a more cheaper drone that's like 100 bucks, you'd be able to make more sales because more people would be able to afford it. That's just the reality of high-ticket affiliate marketing that you need to understand. But if I were promoting it, which I am on one of my sites, the things that I talk about it are my personal experiences, how I love this drone, how long I've flown it for, how it's safe. It has like safety sensors on 3 parts of its on the drone, how great the camera is, how portable it is. I just basically list out a bunch of pros for this particular product, and I'll let people know more and more about it. And one of the other things that I do is I also talk about how people can finance this drone rather than buying it for the entire 800 altogether. So people that are like on the fence about like, oh, well, I can't really buy this for $800. Oh, you're saying that I can finance it and I can just pay maybe 80 bucks a month until I pay it off. They're more likely to buy it that way. I'll give you another example. So this is a sneaker it's a brand new sneaker. I haven't even worn it yet, but it's called the Salomon Speedcross 3. And I actually have a second pair of the Salomon Speedcross 3 that I use. And the story behind this particular sneaker is that I do what's known as mud runs, which are these races where you run through mountains and obstacle courses. Some events are called the Spartan Race, Tough Mudder, you may have heard of it. And when I ran the first couple of races, I was not experienced in it. I didn't know what to properly wear, and it really inhibited my racing ability. I was slipping. I had a huge risk of injury. And once I bought these particular shoes, and I'm not trying to sell this to you right now, I'm literally explaining what the story behind it is. Once I bought these particular shoes and tested them on one of these mud runs, it was a complete game changer for me. I was slipping a lot less. In fact, I almost never slipped, and the race was a lot easier for me to complete, and I basically had much more success with it. So the reason I'm explaining to you this story is that when I wrote my particular review of this particular shoe, which I did, I explained everything that I'm telling you right now, and that story, that personal story, actually helped that make the sales on that particular shoe. It's about 130 bucks, and it's pretty expensive. But as a result of telling this personal story, which is an honest story, I was able to make more sales with it. Let's see if I can give you another example. So there's a drone that I have over here. It's even more expensive. This is called the Mavic 2. So see, I actually have 5 drones. So I'm showing you 2. This one's $800 and this one is over $1,500. Obviously selling something like this would be a lot harder than selling the other one. But this particular drone offers way more value than the other one that I showed you. It has 6 sensors, so it's omni protectional. It's a lot safer to fly with. It's very quiet. It's also extremely portable, and the camera is absolutely amazing. So these kinds of benefits are what I would put into a YouTube video review of this drone, into a blog post that I'm writing. And again, the link below this video is going to give you the step-by-step process to actually breaking down the review that you write or create a video on into a step-by-step process that you can follow, no matter what you promote. So the good news is that this step-by-step formula applies universally to pretty much any high-ticket item that you want to promote, whether it's some sort of digital product, whether it's some kind of physical product. You can use this formula that I'm giving you right now, and I gave you some examples by explaining personal stories of mine to basically make that process a lot easier. So again, summarizing the whole thing, I will find a product to promote that's very expensive. I will get an affiliate link for it, and then I will create either a blog review of the product or a YouTube video review of the product and insert my affiliate link into that. Very important, the more you talk about your personal experiences with high ticket products, like the results that you have with it, the more success that you share with it, the easier it's going to be to sell. You want to be honest with your reviews. You want to provide genuine information that helps people with it, because it is expensive products that you are promoting. So people aren't going to shell out like $1,000 or $1,500 for something unless they have a good reason to. If they know that you've been through that experience, that you've personally gone through that, and that you've had the product and it's worked for you, it makes it easier for you to make that sale. Now, that pretty much summarizes the whole thing. I, again, give you the step-by-step process in the link below this YouTube video that will take you through what you need to do to promote your first high-ticket affiliate product. It doesn't have to be a drone or a shoe. It could be pretty much anything that you want it to be. And I give you some pros and cons that you should be aware of if you do high-ticket affiliate marketing, and how to become successful at it in the link below this video. So thanks so much for watching, and if you found this video valuable, you're welcome to leave a like, a share, a comment if you have any questions. And once again, thanks for watching. Have a good one.